Mr. Mopar checking in. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in an Infiniti key fob. I did find a couple other videos on YouTube explaining this process, but it was long and drawn out. It shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds, maybe a minute. The batteries that you're going to need for these are 2032. Two of these can be picked up for around $5. Walmart carries them. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to release the actual key, giving you the fob. Take a small flathead screwdriver, and you'll see around the edge of this, that line, that's what's going to separate this. Take your small screwdriver, you can usually wedge it in there, run it down, pop it open. There's your battery. Screwdriver under it, pop it out. As you can see on the back, that's a 2032. It also tells you on the fob itself, 2032. Pop your new battery in, and you're done. It's that simple. Of course, it would help if I had taken the batteries out first and had them ready to go. When you're putting the battery in here, the lettering and labeling on the battery itself is going to go down in the fob. And when you're doing this, you're going to want that silver piece. Put that side of the battery in there first, snap it in place, put your fob back together, put your key back in, and you're done. Under 2 minutes.